Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my second cooking video. Today, we are going to make chili chicken. This is going to be the most lit cooking video you've ever seen in your entire life. Are you boys and girls fucking ready for this cooking video? This is going to be lit, the most hot lit ever seen. Recipe, we need the following ingredients. We've got chicken breasts, 1 or 2 pieces should be enough. Beautiful. Then we've got a bell pepper, 2 pieces. Then we've got an egg that's not beaten yet. It has to be beaten. For marinating the chicken, we need some black pepper. You can't see the logo because it has written off. And white pepper. Then we're going to make a sauce which contains a red pepper, tomato puree, soy sauce. Oh, of course, don't forget, you can't forget the garlic. As you can see, it has some plants growing out, but it doesn't matter, right? It's all biology. Not funny at all, but we're good. So the first thing what we're going to do is washing the chicken breasts with water. That's what we have to do. Rub the chicken like this, rub it. So when you have washed the chicken, you're going to dry the chicken with a paper towel. Just press gently on it. Just like that. After you have dried the chicken, we're going to cut it we're going to slice it into small pieces. Right. So after you have cut the chicken like this, you're going to dip it in egg wash, then in the flour, and then you put it back in your bowl. So dip it in like that, in the flour, put it back here. After we've done that, this looks absolutely gorgeous. We're going to add salt, black pepper, and white pepper. So first of all, there's salt. So like, I'm not sure if this will be enough. Then black pepper. And last we got white pepper. Then what we're going to do now is mix it really well, so all the chicken absorbs all the flavor. Fuck. Oh, my nose. My nose. Ooh. As you can see, the flour will stick a bit together, but who cares, right? Not funny at all, but we're good. So now the pan is on the fire. We're going to wait until it's lit. Hot burn, you know what I'm saying? Then, if it's hot, then you're going to add some mice oil. So now the pan is hot, we're going to add some cooking oil. Spread the oil over the pan. Just little things. Okay, cooking oil is hot, the pan is hot. Now what we're going to do is add sliced chicken into the pan. Just like that. When you're cooking the chicken, make sure it is not raw when you've cooked it, because you don't want to get sick, alright? And make sure the chicken has a golden brown color. And don't cook for too long because it might get too dry and you don't want dry chicken, alright? So you have to play with your instinct. When the chicken has a golden brown color, just like this, then what you're going to do is add the bell pepper. In like that, and cook it for a little bit. Now the chicken and the bell pepper have been cooked. like that. Now what we're going to do is remove this to the side. So after we have cooked the chicken and bell pepper, we're going to make the chili sauce. It contains 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. I've already chopped the garlic and I've chopped a little bit of the bell pepper. Red pepper. Oh, and of course, water. But actually, it's not the chili sauce anymore. We didn't use any chili. We used the pepper. So it would be pepper sauce, right? So let's make the sauce, shall we? So now we're going to add the garlic, pepper, soy sauce, some water, some tomato puree, give it a nice stir. After you add all the ingredients for the sauce, so the red pepper, the garlic, soy sauce, the tomato puree and the water, it might look like a soup, but just simmer it until it's like really like syrup, kinda-ish. So just simmer it until it's syrupy, right? Yes. Well, after the sauce has been thickened like this, like a syrup, we are going to add the chicken and bell pepper into it. Oh shit. And let it cook for about a few minutes. Should be enough. Now that the dish is done, we are finally done with this. We're going to put it here. What the fuck is this? Chicken with chili sauce and bell pepper, done. This is the end result of my cooking video, I guess. I hope you enjoy it. But let's go to the taste test, shall we? I'm going to test this dish. So this is the chicken with bell pepper and chili sauce. Let's test, shall we? So this is the end of my cooking video. I hope you all enjoyed it. My chicken with bell pepper and chili sauce.